about to teach you guys a spinning back kick as a defensive kick. It's a different kick. It's a lot easier than the spinning kick. Okay, now, and Michael J. White is fake news.
What?
A spinning kick. It is a spinning kick what he's doing in place, but he's kicking here. So it's not really a spinning side kick. It's not really a spinning back kick, and it's not a real spinning kick.
What?
It is a spinning kick in the sense that he's spinning and staying in place, and then he says in rage, same thing with spinning kick, and then he does a shitty spinning side kick.
Here, same with spinning kick.
Well, as you guys heard, he calls this a spinning kick. Now, next mistake.
As far as him calling his spinning side kick a spinning kick, that's a spinning side kick what he's doing, not a spinning kick to the head. So, number 2, the spinning back kick as a counter. Very easy. Why a counter? Most people will swing like this. And I'll tell you guys, I've used this kick many times without even wanting to use this kick. What do I mean by that? One of the fights I got into, the guy just out of nowhere swung at me. So I backed up my head out of pure reaction and I did this. As I was here, I turned like this, I looked, and I kicked him. So this is basically how you guys want to drill it. You guys want to imagine you're standing normal. You guys don't want to drill this in a way that you're standing in a normal position because you never know when someone might hit you. So let's say you're standing normally here or here. If you're already in an argument, I always suggest you do this. You cover your vital organs, you put one hand above your head. That way you can always be from here to here or from here to here. Okay, so if you're standing normal like this, the guy swings at you, you just take your head back out of the way. So you guys are going to practice standing normally and getting your head backwards, taking your head backwards. Once you're back here, you turn your body this way, like you're about to run. Okay, it's not that hard, and from here you kick backwards. Okay, it doesn't matter, this kick is so effective because it doesn't matter what distance you're in. Keep in mind, you don't want to overspin your hips like Michael J. White. You want to turn and have your butt facing the person, and you want to be able to kick the person in the legs, knees, like chin, knee, nuts, stomach, liver, ribs, even the face. You can even go for the face if you're flexible enough. But I suggest most of the time, you try to land this kick here, and if they come forward, they're gonna take it lower. So the closer by that they come, the lower you're gonna hit them. If you're doing it this way, if you do that back with your wide, you're just gonna end up close in the distance and your kick is gonna suck. So you don't want to do that. You want to drill this preferably in a wall. What do I mean by a wall? I think you guys can guess this wall over here. For example, this wall behind me, I turn like this, my back has to stay here, and I cannot hit this way for the wall. And I kick backwards like this. Okay? If I go in this direction, this way, so that I don't spin and catch the back. I want to go in a straight line. Okay? Another way to drill this is in a straight line. So up here, I turn, I want to keep my legs inside this line. Okay? So these are the 2 kicks you guys want to learn. The jab, no kick. And the defensive spinning back. These are 2 very effective kicks. I've used them many times. Many times I've been hit unexpectedly where I have to move my head and use the spinning back kick. So the next video, guys. Catch you later.
I think it's time for you gentlemen to leave.